I'm Zoe Meaden, I'm Community Manager at Trowbridge Future. The Kindness Cafe you see here today is a weekly event and it's here for the local residents to come and meet together. It helps to combat social isolation, loneliness, and it gives people a sense of purpose.
My name is Trina Moran. I'm a training manager and I work at the Staverton factory. Nestlé give me the opportunity to go out and actually deliver these cereals to the Kindness Cafe, and they're also giving me the time to be able to interact with them and build relationships with the local community.
We've been working with Trina for about 3 years now and she's been fantastic with the residents. She's really visible in the Seymour hub and everybody loves her. We struggle for funding, and when somebody like Trina turns up from Nestlé, it just makes me feel like it's all worthwhile and that we are actually making a difference, and we've been recognised through the support of a local business like that.
The donations are essential because without the products going into the community fridge, these people would not be able to get a balanced diet.
We've been really lucky to have such great support from Nestlé as a local business. It's a really great partnership. Everything that we're given makes a massive difference.
So many people go to this fridge. You've got a really lovely group of people who sometimes can feel really quite isolated, who come to the Kindness Cafe, and they get one day where they can go and actually interact with people, and how lovely it is that they can all come together and help one another. And if I can be one little smidgeny part of that, then that's great for me.
I do this job because I go home at the end of the day and I feel like I've actually done something. I can't change the world, but I can change the local community, and that means the world to me.